See this? Whoa! Don't you think it looks very appetizing to you?
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make curry prawn. Yeah, I have 4 pieces of huge prawn here. Of course, you can use any kind of prawn that you have. This huge prawn here is actually equivalent to approximately 600 gram, almost or 200 gram each. Yeah, it's a very huge prawn. I actually devein it. I actually devein the prawn and also cut off the pointy part and remove the prawn legs. Yeah. Then after that, what we need here is to make the curry. As you can see from here, we have some 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, minced shallot, minced ginger, and also fresh coriander roots. And this is the curry powders that I mix. First of all, we have 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and also 1 tablespoon of Baba's fish curry powder. I also have 1 bowl of mint leaf. This one we will actually put towards the end. Here we have some curry leaves as well. Then we have some asam jawa, asam jawa, some coconut milk, and last but not least, my Cooking Appa 100% natural and 0 preservative and 0 MSG cooking powder, chicken powder actually. For those who want to order, you can get it from Shopee online from Malaysia and Singapore as well. So first of all, we are going to add in some oil and raise the heat. So once the oil is heated up, we can add in the ginger, garlic, shallot, and also fresh coriander. Once you saute for about a minute or 2, we can actually add in some fresh tomato or big onion. I forgot to mention about this just now. Either a big yellow onion or tomato, yeah? And also give it a bit of curry leaves. Give it a few stir. And now, I am going to lower the heat to the lowest because we are now going to add in the curry powders. Curry powders can get burnt extremely easy, therefore you always make sure the moment when you want to add in the curry powders, your wok cannot be too hot. So we lower the heat, after which we can slowly increase the heat. And if you find it too dry like what you are seeing here, feel free to add in more oil. And then we can slowly raise the heat. And like I mentioned earlier, do not use too high heat, yeah? I'm using a medium to medium high right now. And we are going to keep on stirring and sauteing this curry paste. Keep on stirring for the next 3 to 5 minutes. To really cook the curry paste. Right, this is after approximately about 4 or 5 minutes sauteing. It is now super fragrant. We can now add in some hot water here. And I shall add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, approximately 1 teaspoon. And before adding in the prawn, let's season this. I'm going to give it 1 teaspoon of salt, similar amount of sugar, about 1 teaspoon, approximately 1 tablespoon of assam puree. I have some tomato left over, put it in, some curry leaves, and let's bring this to a boil and let it boil for a couple of minutes before we continue. This is to really build out the flavor of the curry itself. Alright, the curry has been simmering for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add in some coconut milk to give it some emulsification effect. Immediately you notice the curry becomes very, very creamy. This is why you want to add in coconut milk. Yeah. Some people will add in evaporated milk, can also. Some people mix the two, also can, up to you. The most fragrant is by using coconut milk. That is the most fragrant. Right, now that we have get ready our broth, the curry broth, we can now slowly add in the prawn. We only need to cook the prawn for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have to cook it for too long. Prawn can get cooked very easily. So right now it's about after approximately 4 to 5 minutes between. I then off the fire. You can see how creamy it is. The prawn should be cooked. Now, if you are using smaller prawn, you don't want to cook more than 3 minutes. Yeah, mine is humongous, very big. That's why I cook it until 4 to 5 minutes. Definitely fully cooked, especially when I already deveined and cut a deep slit, yeah, in the center. Look at this. Ooh. Let me show you. See this? Whoa! Don't you think it looks very appetizing to you? Right, now we can actually move this prawn over to a serving plate. So how much you think I should sell this prawn curry here? How much is my cost? I think my cost is approximately, the prawn itself is about, these 4 pieces is probably about 100 ringgit. My cost before cooking. Now basically this curry broth here, you can still adjust to taste. If it's not salty enough, you can add in some salt or fish sauce, yeah? So I'm going to prepare the curry broth and banjir the curry broth. I'm always very amazed by very small 1 liter. This is 1 liter pot. It always looks so small, but it can fit all my prawn here. Now on top of the curry prawn, I'm going to put some mint leaf. So I learned this from a famous restaurant in Penang, where they actually add a lot of mint leaf on top of the curry prawn. Now there you go. Here's my very simple curry prawn today, but super flavorful. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.